Viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you will learn about the four basic mathematical functions in Excel: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's walk through the function with the help of tables. Let's get started with addition. To perform addition, it's quite simple in Excel. For that, we need to type here is equal to, type sum, open parenthesis, highlight the numbers and close parenthesis and press enter. So that's how we can perform the addition function in Excel. Now let's perform the subtraction function in Excel. Click here, type is equal to, click on the first cell, type minus sign, click on the second cell and press enter. So that's how we can perform the subtraction function in Excel. Now let's perform the multiplication function. So for that, we need to type here is equal to first cell, multiplication sign, click on second cell and press enter. Now let's perform the division function. For that, we need to type here is equal to, click on first cell, type forward slash, type 2 and press enter. So you can see that we have easily performed the four basic mathematical functions in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more videos.